Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create new Discord server on PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Discord app on your PC. Now here, this is the homepage of Discord. On the left side you can see there are different servers. To create a new server, tap on the plus sign which says add a server. You can create your gaming server, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, local community and many more. Now here I'm going to create my own server for me and my friends. Now create a name of a server. I'm going to name the server as this is my server and then tap on create. So here this server has been created. Now you can create a text channel by clicking on this plus sign right beside text channel, or voice channel by clicking on right beside this voice channel. And this is the place where you type messages. You can add your friends by clicking here. You can add people who are in your Discord, or copy this link and send to the people you want to make the member of this group by sending them on their DMs. Here are many options as pinning the message, notification settings, threads, and hide member list. For now, there is only me in this server. I can add more by inviting them, and you can send gifts, GIF, or stickers as you want. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you for making your own server, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.